Oh my God.
Drop it. Drop it.
Oh my goodness. Oh.
Very good. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid back first, okay? Okay, so go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very good. One more time, please. All the way out. Very nice. Very good.
Oh, that's good.
All right, nice deep breath in for me. All the way out.
Oh my God.
And a little bit closer to me. Perfect. Is that good there, Lee?
Perfect.
All right. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Wow. And one more time, deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my God.
Very good.
Oh, that is so good. Oh my God, this is real. Oh,
How did that feel?
oh my God. You guys, you should go here.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. So just relax the leg here. I'm going to do a little pull to the hip.
Oh.
Into the knee here. Just relax it. Yeah. Relax it. Very good. So head all the way to my hand. Just relax the shoulder here, okay? Just gonna get you in a position. Now just drop the head to the left. Drop it.
Oh my God.
Very
Oh
good.
my God.
And head into my hand. Just relax that shoulder for me. Very good. Now just drop the head to the right. Drop it.
Oh my goodness.
Very good.
Oh. Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
It is real. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your shoulders here. Just relax it for me. Just relax the shoulder. Very good. Other side for me, please. Just relax it.
Oh my
Good. Just relax it for me.
Oh my goodness.
Same thing here. Just relax it.
Oh. Oh.
Just relax it for me.
Oh my. Oh my God, I love that.
Good. Very nice. Awesome.